testing for positive ions using sodium hydroxide solution. We'll do a test to know which positive ions we have using sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium, potassium, and ammonium hydroxides are the only hydroxides that dissolve in water to any extent. So they're saying here that only sodium, potassium, and ammonium hydroxides are the only hydroxides that dissolve in water. Most metal hydroxides are insoluble. They do not dissolve in water, except for sodium, potassium, and ammonium hydroxides, as we've mentioned. This means that if you add sodium hydroxide solution to a solution containing the metal ions, you will get a precipitate of metal hydroxide. So in the experiment, we'll get sodium hydroxide and add to it a solution containing metal ions. Afterwards, we will obtain a colored precipitate of metal hydroxide. So from the color of the precipitate, we can tell what's the positive ion found inside the solution.